That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
So I'm going to start my Potjie bunny chow. First, I'm going to use lamb meat. So traditionally, when people make bunny chow, they don't really fry their meat. Now I noticed when you fry your meat, it caramelizes. And when it does that, just hear that sizzle. So happy. So when it caramelizes, it adds a lot more flavor and the meat just has a richer taste. So you just put all of it in here and it's browning and that's what we want. So right here we have our Indian mix. So this is called a bay leaf. This is cinnamon sticks and we've got some jeera, which is known as cumin. Okay, so these are the spices that we use. Over here we have onions. We have a bit of ginger and garlic. We've got some curry powder, some curry paste. We've got some tomatoes here. We've got ground coriander, ground cumin. Just to add a little bit more depth of flavor. We've got some potatoes, because no curry is complete without potatoes. And we've got yogurt here to help you taste it. And then we've got some coriander, fresh coriander. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it off the stove right now, chef. And I'm gonna put it here. So now as you see, do you see it?
Yeah.
Like brown a little, but that's what we want. And can you smell it?
Yeah, that's
fantastic, right? Okay, so now we're going in with our potjie. Just gonna add that inside. And we've got our spices ready, so I'm gonna melt this. Going in with our bay leaf, our cinnamon sticks, and our cumin. Okay. We're gonna stir this up, and once you start to smell your cumin, you know your onions are ready to go in. So this takes about 10 seconds until your cumin is actually cooked. So now we're going in with our onions, all of our onions. So if you look at it, okay, so we're mixing this in. And now we see it's this perfect golden brown color. That's exactly what we're looking for. So now we're gonna go in with our ginger and garlic. Since I love garlic so much, I added a little bit extra. Looks perfect. Okay, this is done. We're gonna add our curry powder. I'm adding hot curry powder. I love spicy. So we're mixing this guy in. Okay. We're gonna go in with our tomatoes. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit of water just to help cook out the tomatoes. And the color is rich and red. Now, we're gonna go in with our meat. Just gonna add everything inside. Since we already cooked it, it's not gonna take really long. Usually when you make mutton curry, it takes about an hour, hour and a half. It slow cooks, so the flavors really marry. This is kind of a shortcut because I decided to use lamb, super soft cooking. So we're gonna add our water. And we're gonna give this 2 minutes, just so the meat flavor combines in with the chili powder and the onions and everything. So we give this a good stir up. Just look at how it coats the meat. That's exactly what we want. Okay, we're gonna cover this for 2 minutes so that the meat marries in with the curry powder, and then we'll be back. Okay, now we're gonna open up this bad boy. Safety first, always have a dish towel ready on hand. You don't wanna get burnt. So we're gonna mix this up. Wow, look at the color, it's intense. We're gonna go in with our potatoes. So you can just casually place them in, or you could just drop them in. Now's the time that we add our ground spices. So we're going in with ground cumin, ground coriander. So we're gonna cover this up until our potatoes cook. It's another 5 minutes, and then we're almost done. So now we're gonna add a little bit of water into our pot. to help with the cooking down of the potatoes. So the key is to just cover it. Nobody wants a runny curry, especially not in a bunny. Okay, I'm gonna cover this up and 5 minutes. Now we're gonna go in with our yogurt. So they usually add it to creamify or to add cream to the actual dish, and this richens it. It makes it so much more tastier, and the color afterwards is fantastic. I'm gonna salt this baby up. Let's go in with our coriander, and you can just sprinkle it all around. So this is uncut or unsliced bread, regular bread, so we have this. And then we go half. So I'm a big eater, but when it comes to a bunny chow, I can't eat half a bunny. So we're gonna do half a bunny chow, and then we cut the insides of it. This is what we're going for. It's like a little cradle where you put your curry in and it just snugs it, and the bread absorbs all the flavor. Oh, it's fantastic if you ask me. Okay, we're gonna go in with our mutton. Make sure you get all that meat in there. Could be a little sloppy with it. I mean, it's bunny chow after all. It's all about eating with your hands. I'm gonna place this guy right here. Now it usually goes with a carrot salad. So it's a simple salad. It's just got grated carrots, some onions, diced onions of course. We've got some cucumber. We've got our traditional one. And just for the sake of it, let's do one in the Potjie pot. Okay, let's go in with all our curry. So excited.
I see you went big on your bunny chow.
I did, because I know we're both sharing.
Okay, good. Let's taste. Are we ready to taste?
Yeah, for sure.